There's a moment in tech when everything feels familiar, until suddenly it doesn't. And right now, all signs point to Google preparing a move that could flip the entire Pixel story upside down, a shift hidden deep inside the hardware, the kind that quietly rewrites performance, battery life, connectivity, and how the phone thinks in real time. This is the kind of upgrade people don't see coming until it hits them right in the hands. Welcome back, viewers. James here. Like, share, and subscribe for more. So here's where things get interesting. For years, Pixel phones delivered great AI but struggled with one frustrating weakness no one could ignore: unreliable cellular performance. It became almost a running joke among power users, and every launch came with the same hope that Google would finally fix it. But now, after months of silence and a few eyebrow-raising leaks, it looks like Google may finally be stepping off the old track. New reports claim the Pixel 11 lineup might be the first generation to abandon Samsung's long-used modem and shift to a completely different partner, MediaTek. That alone is wild, because Google and MediaTek rarely show up in the same sentence, especially for a flagship. But here's the twist: the modem being tested isn't some mid-range part. It's the M90, one of MediaTek's most advanced pieces of network hardware yet, and that's where this story starts to heat up. The M90 is rumored to push up to 12 gigabits per second downloads, support both 6 GHz and mmWave 5G, run dual-active 5G SIMs, and even pack integrated satellite connectivity, the kind of emergency-ready tech that keeps you online in the middle of nowhere. If this leak is accurate, Google might be preparing the strongest network performance the Pixel lineup has ever seen, not just fast signals but cleaner handoffs, fewer drops, and stability that finally matches its camera and software magic. Pair all of that with Tensor G6, which itself is rumored to get power efficiency improvements and faster on-device AI, and suddenly the Pixel 11 Pro starts looking like a different kind of flagship, not just smarter, but more dependable. And that reliability is exactly what Pixel users have been begging for. It's not just performance, it's freedom from the one weakness that's followed the Pixel for years. There's also buzz that Google might redesign the thermal system to keep everything cooler when both the modem and AI engine are working overtime. That could mean longer battery life, fewer throttling issues, and more breathing room for features that rely on constant connectivity. And if Google and MediaTek actually make this partnership official, it could help Google break away from the whole "Tensor is just Exynos in disguise" narrative once and for all. We're still in rumor territory, of course, but the consistency of these leaks is what makes them hard to ignore. The Pixel 11 Pro isn't shaping up to be a minor yearly refresh. It's looking more like the generation where Google finally stops patching old problems and starts rewriting the blueprint. If everything lines up, connectivity, stability, thermal performance, and upgraded AI, this could be the Pixel that feels truly complete. So now the big question lands on you. If Google really switches to MediaTek's flagship modem, is that a bold move that finally unlocks the Pixel's potential, or a risky leap into unfamiliar territory? Drop your thoughts below. I'm really curious to see where you stand on this. And as always, thanks for watching. Stick around for the next deep dive because things are about to get even more interesting in the smartphone world.